Yo, what's up everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys or telling you guys what Netspend business card is and how you guys can log in into it. So first I'm going to be telling you guys what it is, then I'm going to be showing how to log in into that because I think you guys should know what you guys are logging into before you guys actually log in into it, all right? So basically Netspend business card is allows you to accept payment and on the go and manage employee sending through sub account. The Netspend Small Business Prepaid Card provides small business owners a way to accept card payment on go and keep tabs on employee who make to purchase on their behalf. So basically, if employee has to make purchase on their behalf, if you let them use this card, it's gonna keep track of like how much money they have used. All right. So that's basically what it does. So in order to log in into it, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step and follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. First step, you want to search for Netspend business card login. After you search for it, you can see where it says Netspend Small Business. You want to click on it and it's going to take you to the login page. So wait for some time until the page loads up. Alright, it might take a bit of time. It depends on the internet speed. Mine's a bit slow today. I don't know why. The reason is that's why it's taking a bit of time to load. But most of the time it should not take this much time to load. Alright, now once the page loads up over here where it says username, you need to enter the username of your account. Alright, so I'm gonna enter the username of my account. After enter the username, you need to enter the password of your account. After enter the password of your account over here, you need to click on where it says login, and if the username and password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into Netspend small business account. Alright, it's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step, and I'll see you guys next time. And you can click on username or password to recover your account as well over here. Alright, like if you forgot a username, you can click on username to recover your username. If you forgot your password, you can click on password to recover your password as well. But yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. Stay safe. Peace out. Bye bye.